Hi guys, thanks for stopping by again. And if you're new here, my name is Sydney, and today I'm showing you guys how I deep cleaned our bathroom. And keep in mind, we do live in an older apartment, so everything's pretty dated, including the tub. I honestly was struggling on how to clean it, and I actually found a method on YouTube of how to get that mold out. And I'm gonna try it out today to see if it works. So yeah, I'll click the link of the lady's channel below so you can actually see how she does it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And yeah, let's get started.
So different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
So I'm just going to let the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner soak in the tub for about 20 to 30 minutes while I clean the rest of the bathroom. And then I'm going to be taking it off and see if it actually works. So I like to just put a splash of Fabuloso in the toilet. I just feel it makes the bathroom smell extra clean. And yeah, I love the smell of it.
what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with.
So now it's the moment of truth and time to see if this method actually worked for our tub. And yeah, it actually turned out so good, and all of the mold pretty much came off. And what you see is actually the caulk that has fallen off from all the times I've cleaned the toilet. I mean, the tub. So it looks 100 times better, and I'm so happy with the results because the tub actually looks clean for once. So now I'm just gonna scrub the rest of the tub down with some Fabuloso and some of the toilet bowl cleaner I had on the tiles, and just to make sure it's nice and sparkly.
For the thrill of it, don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. For the thrill of it, for the thrill of it. For the thrill of it, for the thrill of it.
So now I'm just going to be cleaning our baseboards in our bathroom, and honestly this is just what I had with me, so this is what I used to clean it with. And yeah, it had a lot of dust, but I'm curious to know what you guys do as far as cleaning your baseboards.
I'm sensing a smile, a smile, a smile, a smile.
Alright guys, so the bathroom is nice and clean, and I love the finished result of how the tub came out. All of the mold is completely gone, and I hope this was motivational for you guys. And make sure to give this a thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope you subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.